We gonna talk about favorites today. Who gonna talk about favorites today? We gonna talk about favorites today. What are your favorites, boo? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Natashia. And of course, I did want to come to you guys today with a new video for July and August faves. Now, you guys know I did take 2 weeks off of YouTube, trying to get my mind right, trying to be creative again, and just spend time with the people that I love. So I did need to take that time off, and I am so happy to be back. Now, I do have a ton of faves, so you guys will get a nice treat of all the stuff that I've been obsessing over. I'm like so excited to talk about this stuff. So if you guys want to see what I love for the month of July and August, please do not forget to insert an emoji of what snack you are eating in the comments below. And let's go ahead and get this party started. We gonna talk about favorites today. You guys know I like to talk about drinks when it comes to my faves, and this one is not a healthy drink. I want to make sure that you are of age. 21 is the legal drinking age in the States. And one thing that I've been loving, and I do not like red wine. This is the Sweet Red Blend. If you guys can already see, I got a big old bottle of it and it's halfway or like majority, you know, almost gone. So when I get off work, I like to pour me a nice glass of wine. And like I said, I really don't drink wine. I'm more of like a champagne type of girl. I like the bubbliness of it. But this red wine hits the spot. And I don't know what it is about red wine. It literally like hits me right away. Like I'll be walking around the house like, woo, girl, like I am wasted. Hold on. This wine I've definitely been loving for the month of July and August. And like I said, we're not gonna judge, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put this down. I might have a cup here, but we're gonna put this away, okay? Moving on to skincare as far as our body. Now, I shower, of course, twice a day. And the reason why I do shower twice a day is because, for one, I wear makeup. And so I do like to take my makeup off in the shower. It's just a lot easier. The body products that I love to use in the shower would have to be my Dr. Bronner's. OMG, like let me tell you, boo. This stuff is amazing. It does have peppermint in it, so that menthol feeling when you get out the shower is real. Like I be walking out like, ooh, I feel so good. I feel really clean. This soap does set up a lot, so you have bubbles all over you, and I just feel amazing. Now, I do wash my entire body. I know there was like a huge debate on Twitter with people just saying the soap suds wash your body by coming down. No, boo, that is not true. You need to scrub your skin. Now, another thing about me is I do either use a washcloth or a dry brush. The reason why I do this is because this is the only way I feel clean. A loofah for me just doesn't do it, sis. Like, I don't feel clean. Also, too, I do have piercings, and loofahs tend to attach themselves to any piercing that you have. So it's kind of hard to get around areas when you're like, okay, like my belly button is pierced, like that loofah is just gonna keep tugging on it, and that scares me. So I'm not trying to rip anything out. So yeah, this is amazing. I use it on my face, and my face just feels like once you pour that cold water on it, I'm like, woo! My skin is clean. I do try to find this product at a reasonable price, meaning I know Target is a little more expensive. I found it at Burlington's to be very cheap, so I highly recommend you trying this out. And remember, scrub your entire body, please. So let me just say, I am so happy to do a favorites for you guys right now. Like, I am sitting here watching this video like, yes, girl, you back at it. You haven't missed a month yet. Look at you, boo. Go ahead now. Now, to continue on body wash, I like things to be affordable, and I like to smell really good when I get out the shower. Now, the peppermint filling with the Dr. Bronner's, it doesn't really linger when you get out the shower. Let me tell you about this body wash. This is from Target. This is one of the Target brands. It's called Smartly. I don't know. I shop at Target every single day, and I always want to try something new. I think this body wash was $1.99, and I'm like, that's super affordable, especially if you're going to school like college and you want something that smells really good and you can use it every day. If you are sensitive to smells, this is very strong. I'm not gonna lie to you. But this body wash does set up as well. You have bubbles everywhere too. And I don't know, like I just like to feel clean with all the bubbles all over me. It just intensifies me, you know, scrubbing my body just to get that extra lather of bubbles all over me. And I really like that. The lotion that you can get with the body wash is the Smartly brand as well. So this is Target brand, and this is the hand and body lotion. As a reminder, if you are sensitive to smells, this was $1.99. The smell is intense. My husband got into bed with me and he was like, what do you have on? I'll just put a little bit on now. Like I said, if you are going to school and you just need something really cheap just to get you through the months of school where you don't have family and you're not really working at the time because you're trying to get that education, I should own stock in Target. I'm there all the time and I like to try everything Target has to offer me, especially when it's at a reasonable price. So let's keep this show going. As a reminder, what are you guys eating? You guys know I have my popcorn and I am sipping a little bit of wine while I watch this. Now for me, these summer months have been extremely hot and I live in Colorado. Our weather is very bipolar. We'll have rain. In about an hour, the sun will come back out. Then we'll have rain again. I don't know. We're just all over the place. But the makeup items that I've been loving for the month of July and August, the first makeup item that I've been loving for these summer months would have to be the Makeup Obsession Mega Conceal Long Wear Concealer with caffeine in it. Before I read the packaging, let me tell you, I thought this was a foundation. This brand is at Target. I'm not really too familiar with it. One day, you know, I was just cruising around the aisle and I was like, whoa, Makeup Obsession, what is this? So I did pick up this concealer because this did look like a foundation shade for me. But let me tell you about this concealer. I use it every single day and I use it as a foundation. This concealer matches me perfect. When I say perfect, like I can do like the stripe test and this is my shade. I could not believe it. It's very lightweight because it's not a foundation, it is a concealer. To me, it does dry matte and I do not get oily throughout the day. Like I said, if it's 90 degrees outside, I still be looking good. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, I am starting to branch out and take photos again, and this concealer photographs beautifully. Like I look so good in my photos, and I used to be scared to do photos up close and you can barely tell I'm wearing makeup as far as foundation. So I really love this. Makeup Obsession, please let me know if you guys have a broader selection as far as concealers. Are you guys coming out with foundation? I'm gonna tell you, for the formula for this concealer, amazing. Do we want more shades so more of my girls can try out this concealer? Of course. So Makeup Obsession, please work on that. Another Makeup Obsession item that I did pick up. Now, if I'm gonna wear any type of concealer on my face, I always try to pick up a primer that matches. This is the Makeup Obsession Picture Perfect Pore Blurring Primer. I'm obsessed. My skin looks airbrushed, super smooth. I like the up close photos. I feel like this really does blur out my pores. I do have larger pores around here, and I just feel like they just disappear. It does have a little bit of color to it, but once you rub it in, your skin just feels silky smooth. Like I said, it's more of an airbrush finish, and I love that. I always like to look like I'm not wearing makeup, although I probably have a ton piled on. This primer definitely works very well with the concealer. I have this on right now. I just love the way it looks. So good primer, definitely check it out. Let me do a quick check-in. Who's still here? Are you still here watching me? Did you miss me? Okay, good. Let's go ahead and continue. So sis, I look down and I'm like, oh my goodness, I have 2 more Makeup Obsession items that I gotta talk about. Let's Glow Liquid Illuminator. Now, I haven't really used too many liquid highlights in my lifetime. They kind of made me nervous, but this one, I mean, if you can just kind of look at my chest, this glow is real. When the sun just hits this really nice, I'm like, you like that glow, boo? So I've really been loving this. It's very light. I take a little bit on the back of my hand and I apply this to all of the areas that I want to just glow, look beautiful. And I've really been using this on my chest, and it does have pink and gold like sparkles to it, and I love it. The last makeup obsession item I want to talk about would be the Lightning Glow Setting Spray. Now, you guys know I am a sucker for this. I love how it sounds like a paint can. You guys know how I feel about this. But let me just tell you guys, for the summertime, this is perfect. If you guys want a natural glow on your face, and not too much, if you're gonna go very light with your makeup, but you still want your skin to glitter, glow, you know, all that good stuff, this setting spray right here is lit, okay? Now, I tried to be very careful, because one day I was like, psh, 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 psh. Sis, let me tell you, I was glowing from head to toe, okay? Like, that glitter was just everywhere. I'm not gonna really say I go for that look. Like, I wanna glow, but not like glow glow. Now, this will probably be retired after the summertime, but if you wanna spray this on your arm, on your legs, beautiful. Just add a little bit of oil to this, you are good to go. It doesn't really have the best smell to me, but it works, okay? I'm obsessed. Okay, for real, like the last makeup item, I know you guys are gonna be like, it hasn't even been a month. Like, what's going on? How are you gonna say this is your fave? Boo, don't be over here judging me. Hold on, let me explain. The Anastasia Beverly Hills X Jackie Aina palette is unbelievable. When I say I've been wearing this palette for the last 2 weeks straight, like, I literally cannot put this palette down. I've come up with so many creative looks with this palette alone. I feel like it's very universal. The colors in here I've mentioned are buttery, creamy. They go on so smooth. They're easy to blend. I'm obsessed. This is a limited edition palette. So if you just want to go out and support Jackie, just pick up the palette. You can get it at Sephora. I want to say Ulta. And I don't do my makeup every day for work. And for the last 2 weeks, literally, I know people have been like, girl, you look good. Like, what is going on? But it's this palette, okay? Like, I get motivated every morning to put this palette on. Can't go wrong with the matte shades, the metallic shades. Yes, I am depressed that I did stick my finger into the shade Soleil. That is why I definitely have to get another palette, because I totally messed this up. By the time I was done with that makeup look that day, I had makeup everywhere. I'm like, ugh, why? Why me? Why was I so excited to open up this package? Like, why couldn't I just been like, okay, girl, open it? No, I was like, we gotta open up this palette. I gotta make sure these colors are right. Jackie, you did your thing. I love it. Let's go ahead and skip right along to some hair products. I do use Sally Beauty Hair Tensity hair extensions. I'm obsessed with them. They are synthetic hair, so they're a lot cheaper. And of course, I figured out a way to curl synthetic hair. So I'm obsessed. I use these all the time. They feel really thick. They look really natural with my hair. I love my hair texture with these clip-in extensions. And these extensions typically last for 6 months to a year, depending on how great you take care of them. This is a protective style for me. Of course, you guys already know half of my hair is braided, and then I set the clip-ins right on top. Now, I did cut these clip-ins because, boo, it is hot. It is summertime. Having 14 inches of hair is draining almost. Like, getting ready for work, trying to do a full beat using the Jackie Aina palette and curl that hair, sis, it was hard. And you guys, if you didn't know, I do curl my hair with makeup brushes. If you guys want to see a video on that, please leave a comment down below and I can definitely get that out for you. But for now, this is how my hair is gonna look for a bit, and I'm obsessed. The short hair is kind of in. I kind of have like the mom hair going on, and I love it. The first hair item I wanna talk about is a round brush. Now, I did go to beauty school, and I did learn how to round brush hair. I could do it on other people. I struggle with myself. Like, I get so tired doing my own hair, but I want to get into the habit of round brushing my hair again. And so my hair has literally stayed in this style for about 2 weeks since I round brushed my hair. Now, I do wrap my, I do wrap my hair at night, every single night, with a silk wrap. My hair just be blowing in the wind, and if you guys didn't know, like a story time video, I used to spray so much hairspray in my hair because I used to hate my hair moving. Now that I gotten older, let me tell you, you say my name and I'm like, what? Girl, wait a minute. Yeah, my hair looks good. If you've ever round brushed your hair, let me know in the comments below, how long did it take you to do that? And what type of guns do you have now? Because my arms are super strong since I started round brushing my hair. You just got up from my video. What did you go grab? Like, leave a comment down below. If you're not eating, what did you just go pick up? I see you. I saw you leave my video. What's going on? The next product that I've been loving to lay my baby hairs down, because a lot of the times I get people that think my hair is a wig and it's not. Like, I do have clip-in extensions in, but the top part of my hair is definitely my hair. Like, this is my scalp. Hello. One thing about me is if I'm gonna lay my hair, I definitely have to lay my baby hairs. I just think it brings the look together. We're just, you know, sleek, nice, beautiful. I don't know, it just completes the look for me. So lately I've been using the Main Choice. This is the Tropical Meringue. This is actually a glaze for your braids, like your braid outs, your twist outs, that kind of stuff. No, boo, I've been using this on my baby hairs like it's a gel, and my baby hairs have been laid. I literally lay my baby hairs, grab my do-rag, put that on, take it off, and I just start styling my hair, and I'm like, yes, I don't have any flyaways. This stuff does not flake up, and you guys know when you've used too much to where it starts flaking. I wash my hair every 2 weeks, and this still has not flaked up. I'm impressed, but my baby hairs be looking snatched, okay? So if you guys want to try something other than a gel or an edge control, I highly recommend this product. You're probably gonna get a ton of people asking you, are you wearing a wig? And all you have to say is, no, boo, my edges are just laid. To continue talking about an edge control, the one edge control that I always go back to is the Cream in Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. I do get the shade black, and the reason why I do this is I am getting older. I did notice that I do have one gray hair. Usually I try to dye my hair pitch black. I don't want to see no red. I don't want to see no brown in my hair. I like to see pure black. I do get a little bit of this edge control and kind of just lay it on the gray hair and it disappears. It's like I don't have gray hair anymore. So this is perfect for that. And also too, if I do have a little bit of flyaways, since my hair is like a brownish black, I can apply this, kind of rub it in my hands and get rid of any flyaways that I may have. If you're one of those girls that be taking forever to touch up your roots, go ahead and get this. The last hair item I want to put you guys up on game on, and they are trying. They're trying to play me. Like, this was on clearance, and I'm like, this item better not go away. Sally's, I'm gonna need y'all to chill, and Proclaim, I'm gonna need y'all to really chill and put this back on the shelf, okay? Because ain't nobody got time to not have this. This is the Proclaim Argan Oil Spray Oil Treatment. Hold up. If you live in a dry climate, this is your best friend. Also too, this spray does not weigh down your hair, and it smells so good. Like, Proclaim, do not get rid of this. You can use this as a hot oil treatment if you just, you know, want to do extra care to your hair. Add this to your protein treatment. This stuff is amazing. Every day that I round brush my hair, I literally spray this in my hair, and I'm like, oh. Also, you can put this on your cuticles. I do sometimes put it on my skin as well, and I just, you guys already know I'm glowing out here, okay? That's why I'm out here taking photos again. I'm trying to look good for y'all. Proclaim, please do not get rid of this. Sally's, I'm gonna need y'all to chill. Take this off the clearance. I mean, I wanna buy it for like $3, but don't get rid of this, okay? Proclaim, we here? Okay, good. Of course, you guys know I want to thank you so much for coming back to my channel. There are a ton of channels out here, and you guys keep supporting me. I definitely appreciate it. I love you guys so much. I can never thank you guys enough. Please do not forget to thumbs up and share my videos. Sharing definitely helps out my channel, because if the video was helpful for you, trust me, some of these items can definitely be helpful for others. So please do not forget to share, share, share. Also, subscribe to my channel. It is free. Until my next video, you guys know I miss you. I love you. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.